Alright, so this is the problem number 4, right? As a simple problem, right, for Python basics. So this problem says write a program with a subsequence of comma separated numbers, right? So you have to take some numbers as input, right, by using the function input, right? Input. So by this function, you can take the values which will be like comma separate, like 1, 2, 3, right? This way. And from console and generate list and tuples. So what you have to do is take these numbers and then make it as a list and tuples. And there is example for this. You can look at this. So you have to generate this and this, and you have to simply print this. So this is a simple thing, but where we're going to use these things. So later when we solve the most important problems. So after taking the values, right? So we'll be converting it into list, right? So to make it more usable data types, right? So this will be the later part when we looking at the complex part of the problems, right? So here simply we take the data right from input as this way, right? And then convert it as list and tuples. Okay. So here let me open this Python IDE. So this is open. So before writing a program code, write a source file. So let's try it this way, simplest way. Suppose we're going to take input, right? So suppose it's a L, or you can name this like input, input, sorry, input, sorry. And simply take the inputs here, right? And when you take input, you have to give the inputs 1, 2, 3. I give the input, right? Now, if you look at the np, which is a variable, which is a kind of actually it's a kind of variable, right? So if you take, you will see that this is you can call it a string. It's a kind of a string, right? If you want to know the type of this, you can simply know this here. So it's a string, right? Now we have to convert it into a list. So how to do that? This is the simplest way. Suppose L is list, just stand for list. So just input and the split function, right? Actually, there are how many functions are available if you want to see this. Yeah, you can see that the capitalize, console, center, counter, and there are so many functions are available. You can look at that by just giving the dot and use split function here and split it just by comma. So what I'm saying here is we are splitting these values as comma, right, in separate values and making it separate values, right? So if you look at this, you see that this is the list, right? 1, 2, 3. And if you look at the type of this, you will see that this is a list, right? And the next job that we have to do is convert this L into tuple. And this is very easy. All you need to do is just use tuple and this. And yep, this is converted into tuples, right? So this is all the job that we have to do, and let's create it into a source file, right? Problem 4.5. So what I'm doing is, so you will get the idea, right? So what you need to do. So first we have to take input, then split it for the list, then convert the list into tuples, right? So two tasks simply. So let's take the input. It's a variable, right? You can name it anything. And when you're writing some program, right, some higher programs, so you have to be careful what should be the input, what should be the variable name. But here I'm just assuming anything. And let's take this input here Now, as we have seen here, right? So you can sit here. Okay. So um, we have to split this, right? So for list, we have to split this. It actually automatically convert that string into list if you are going to split anything, right? So as we have seen here that this is a string, right? So initially it's a string, but we will going to convert it by using a split method, right, into a list. So not split. So we are splitting it with the help of, okay, sorry. We not split and split it just by comma. So here the main thing is this. So we are splitting these functions by comma, right? Values. So this will be split this and this will form is going to be L. So you just print this L, and you can also print the type of, okay, no, print type. We have already seen it. And second thing that is you're going to convert that list, which is L. This is a list variable. So we will convert into tuples, right? And this is tuple and print this P. Right, that's it. So it's running. And now suppose 12, 15, 98, and 14. Right. So you can see that this is the list, right? And this is the tuple. And that's what we want. And okay, so I hope this you might understand this thing, right? So this is a very simple thing, and this is easy to understand, right? So I'm just telling you about to utilize the basic things, right, that we have learned into basics of Python. So in future or in next videos, we will looking at how to solve more complex problems with the help of using these small things, right? So till now, thanks for watching.